Okay guys, you're welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to react to Facebook post with emoji. So let's dive in. Now this is a post on the Facebook. Now to react, just click on your comment section here and you come here. You can see the emoji. Is it GIF you want to use to react on this? Or is it your emoji or is it your sticker? So now you want to create an avatar, so let's click on emoji and you can search for any emoji that you want here. Just click on the emoji and these are a lot of emojis that you wanted to use, so just look and search for the emoji that compile with a certain post. So if you want to express your angry, you can choose the angry emoji. If you want to express your crying, you can choose the crying emoji. If you want to express your love, your wow, your loving, a lot of emojis are here for you that you can choose. You can see the thumbs up, oh thinking, you can see oh fine, how are you. You can see a lot of emojis are here. Just click on it. Okay, let me not just use one as an example here now. Okay, let me use this now, and I'll just click on this arrow button. Just click on send, and I have sent this. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and subscribe.